Come test drive the 2018
CHRYSLER Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow,
and is priced below $25,000.
This vehicle has less than 100 miles.
Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, keyless entry,
steering wheel audio controls,
power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control,
front-wheel drive.
Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.